Hi everyone and welcome to Travel World. I'm Emily and today we are back in Sydney, Australia to show you what you can do with your children in this fabulous city. We hope you are ready for this video tour where we'll show you 10 of the best places to visit in Sydney with your children. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the sky, Sydney is bursting with exciting experiences for children of all ages. Whether your little ones are animal enthusiasts, thrill seekers, or budding astronauts, this vibrant city won't disappoint. Get ready to witness their faces light up with wonder as we explore interactive museums, encounter fascinating wildlife, and soak up the sun at world-famous beaches. Over the next few chapters, we will be your guide to creating memories that will last a lifetime. Let us get started on our incredible journey through Sydney's best child-friendly destinations. Our first stop takes us deep beneath the surface into the mesmerising world of SEA LIFE Sydney Aquarium. You will be amazed by the vibrant colours and diverse marine life that call this place home. Prepare to be awestruck as you wander through the iconic underwater tunnels. Watch in wonder as sharks glide effortlessly overhead and rays gracefully move through the water with schools of shimmering fish surrounding you. It is an experience that will leave you amazed. And it is not just about observation here. SEA LIFE. Sydney Aquarium offers plenty of interactive exhibits that allow your little ones to become marine explorers themselves. They can touch a starfish, learn about coral reefs, and even come face to fin with some of the ocean's most fascinating creatures. From the playful penguins to the majestic dugongs, SEA LIFE Sydney Aquarium offers an immersive and educational adventure for the whole family. Don't forget your camera. You will want to capture every moment of this unforgettable underwater journey. Next, we are stepping into a world of pure joy and excitement with our second destination at Luna Park, Sydney. As you enter through the iconic grinning face entrance, you will be greeted by an atmosphere of laughter, thrills, and unforgettable memories waiting to be made. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as you soar through the air on the iconic Ferris wheel, offering breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour. From gentle rides perfect for the little ones to heart-pumping adventures for the thrill seekers, Luna Park has something for everyone in the family. And what's a trip to an amusement park without indulging in some classic carnival games? Test your skills at ring toss, try your luck at the shooting gallery, or win a giant prize at the balloon pop. The possibilities for fun are endless. With its vibrant atmosphere, thrilling rides, and endless entertainment, Luna Park, Sydney is a must-visit destination on your family adventure. So, step inside, let loose, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Number 3 on our list takes us to a place where imaginations run wild and splashes are always welcome. Welcome to the Darling Harbour Children's Playground, a true haven for children of all ages. This is not your average playground. Darling Harbour Children's Playground boasts an incredible water play area, complete with fountains, jets, and shallow pools, perfect for the smaller ones to splash and play in. Imagine the squeals of delight as the children chase each other through the erupting water, their laughter echoing through the air. But the fun doesn't stop there. This playground is also home to an array of climbing structures, slides, and swings, ensuring there is something for everyone. Let your little ones loose on the climbing frames, designed to challenge and excite them, while the older kids can zoom down the slides or soar through the air on the swings. And for the parents, Darling Harbour Children's Playground offers plenty of shaded seating areas and picnic tables, making it the perfect spot to relax and soak in the vibrant atmosphere while the children use up their endless energy. Grab a coffee, enjoy the sunshine, and let the little ones run around gleefully in this urban oasis. Get ready to blast off on an out-of-this-world adventure as we journey to number 4 on our list, the Sydney Observatory. Perched atop Observatory Hill, this historic site offers a captivating glimpse into the cosmos, perfect for budding astronomers and curious minds alike. The Sydney Observatory is home to a collection of fascinating telescopes, including the impressive 1874 telescope, one of the largest refracting telescopes in Australia. During the day, you can join a guided tour and learn about the history of astronomy, discover the stories behind the constellations, and even catch a glimpse of the sun through a special solar telescope. But the real magic happens at night. The Sydney Observatory hosts regular stargazing sessions where you and your family can marvel at the wonders of the night sky. Expert astronomers will guide you through the constellations, pointing out planets, stars, and galaxies millions of light years away. It is an awe-inspiring experience that will leave you feeling connected to the universe in a whole new way. And don't forget to check out the observatory's interactive exhibits, designed to engage and educate visitors of all ages. Learn about the science of astronomy, explore the history of space exploration, and even create your own constellation. No trip to Sydney is complete without experiencing its iconic beaches. Our 5th place takes us to Bondi and Manly Beach, which are perfect for families, offering sun, sand, and endless fun. From gentle waves to sandcastles, these beaches are fantastic fun for children. Hop on a ferry to Manly for a relaxed vibe and child-friendly activities. Surf lessons at both beaches promise unforgettable memories for all ages. Sydney's beaches are a must-visit for family adventures and cherished moments. Calling all budding paleontologists and curious minds, our 6th stop takes us right into the heart of Australia's natural wonders, the Australian Museum. This place is a treasure trove of fascinating exhibits, but we're here for one thing in particular, the dinosaurs. Get ready to come face to face with towering skeletons of these prehistoric giants. You can stand beneath the colossal frame of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, its massive teeth giving you a glimpse into its powerful bite. Learn about the dinosaurs that once roamed Australia, from the speedy Lealinosaura to the herbivorous Minmi. But the Australian Museum is not just about looking at fossils. It is about rolling up your sleeves and diving into the world of discovery. Children can participate in hands-on activities, unearthing replica fossils like real paleontologists, and learning about the science behind these ancient creatures. The museum also offers fantastic educational programs for different age groups, ensuring a fun and engaging experience for everyone. So, if you are ready for a roaring good time and a journey back in time, make sure to add the Australian Museum to your Sydney family adventure itinerary. Get ready for the 7th stop on our list as we embark on an unforgettable journey through Sydney's sparkling harbour. A Sydney harbour cruise is something families must do when visiting this iconic city, offering breathtaking views and a unique perspective of its landmarks. You will be cruising along the glistening water, a gentle breeze in your hair as you take in the panoramic vista of the Sydney Opera House, its sails gleaming in the sunlight. The Sydney Harbour Bridge stands tall in the distance, an architectural marvel against the clear blue sky. But the adventure does not stop there. Many cruises cater specifically to families, offering a range of onboard activities to keep little ones entertained. They will be excited to spot dolphins playing in the wake of the boat, or marveling at the playful antics of seagulls soaring overhead. From delicious meals to live entertainment, a Sydney Harbour cruise has something for everyone. It is the perfect way to relax, enjoy quality family time, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Get ready for a wild encounter. Our 8th adventure takes us just a hop, skip and jump away from the city centre to Featherdale Wildlife Park, a haven for Australian wildlife and a guaranteed hit with children. Here, you can get up close and personal with some of Australia's most iconic animals. The thrill of hand-feeding a kangaroo, its soft fur brushing against your palm as it gently takes the food from your hand. Or you could be standing just inches away from a sleepy koala with its adorable face peeking out from behind a eucalyptus branch. But Featherdale is about more than just cuddly encounters. It is a chance to learn about the incredible diversity of Australian wildlife. Stroll through the park and encounter emus strutting with their chicks, kookaburras perched high in the trees, and wombats waddling about their enclosures. Featherdale Wildlife Park offers a truly immersive experience, allowing you to connect with nature and learn about conservation efforts. So grab your camera, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to meet the amazing animals of Australia. Number 9 on our list takes us to Sydney Olympic Park, home of the unforgettable 2000 Olympic Games. It is a haven for families, offering bike trails, playgrounds and sports facilities. There is cycling, picnicking or exploring something different for everyone. Sydney Olympic Park is the perfect place to create lasting memories. Our final destination on this exciting journey through Sydney's best child-friendly destinations takes us to a world of glitz, glamour, and incredibly lifelike figures. Get ready to rub shoulders with the stars at Madame Tussauds Sydney. Step into a world of wonder as you come face to face with incredibly realistic wax figures of your favourite celebrities, historical figures, and sporting legends. Imagine snapping a selfie with a king or queen, challenging Einstein to a brain teaser, or showing off your dance moves alongside Elvis. But Madame Tussauds is more than just a wax museum. It is an immersive experience. Children will love the interactive exhibits, where they can learn about the fascinating history of wax figures, try their hand at creating their own mini masterpieces, and discover the secrets behind bringing these lifelike figures to life. And of course, no visit to Madame Tussauds is complete without capturing those unforgettable photo memories. So, strike a pose, say cheese, and get ready to impress your friends with your incredible encounters at Madame Tussauds Sydney. There you have it guys, our video tour of Sydney with the children has come to an end. Sydney is packed with amazing destinations for families with children. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the sky, from thrilling rides to fascinating museums. This vibrant city has something to capture the imagination of every child. Which one are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. If it helped you or gave you enjoyment in any way, and subscribe to Travel World for more travel guides. And remember to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. Travel World, it's goodbye from me, Emily. See you next time.